Oh my God. What are those? Oh my goodness. He's not gonna eat it.
Hi. I guess you're wondering why I have white powder on my mouth. Is because I had a nostalgic attack. A powdered donut. Hello everyone, back here again, and we are now in Mr. Donuts. Mr. Donuts is a franchise from America in Boston, in Fields Corner. A donut shop they have there, but Mr. Donuts is all around Japan. It's one of the most popular donut shops here in Japan, but figured out that me coming from Boston and knowing Fields Corner in Dorchester, I noticed that they don't have a powdered donut. So, this topic that we're going to do today is about the nostalgic taste. So, in Japanese they say nazukashii, but in English we say nostalgic, okay? Now, honey dip donut they have here is a very common donut in Japan, but they don't have a white powdered donut here in Japan. Now, one of the things I like about this powdered donut is the size of it. Because of the size, it's easy so that you can actually fit the whole thing in your mouth without getting the powder around your mouth. If the donut was a normal size like this honey dip donut, you'll have powder all around your mouth and people will be watching you. So, unless you have hands like Donald Trump, you should have no problem holding a donut like this and actually fitting the whole thing into your mouth. The perfect donut for coffee. Now that's a nostalgic taste. Okay, here we are at 7-Eleven, and we're going to get some nostalgic snacks. Nazakashi snacks. Alright. So, 7-Eleven usually has a lot of sweet pun. All kinds of sweet pun. Hello! So, oh my god. Sumimasen! Sumimasen! Kore! Ikura?
No! そんなのないうちに。
なんで?
なんでリチャード置いたでしょうちないよ
Yes. 7-Eleven do not sell one of the most popular chocolate cakes here in America, which is the Hostess Cupcake. But they have chocolate. You have chocolate cake, yes? Chocolate cake arimasu ka? Yes, chocolate cake. So, this is a chocolate cake in Japan. And this is a chocolate cake in America. Hi, お願いします。 So, what I decided to do today is I wanted to have a nostalgic day and have my children try American nostalgic snacks. So I ordered a few snacks from America, just a few, and I'm gonna have my children try these snacks. So
What are you doing?
we're gonna try snacks today. You ever seen these before?
Yeah.
You did? So you know these snacks?
Yes.
Oh, you do.
know.
You don't know?
I know.
You know?
I know.
Which one you know? Which one? Well, no. Other than well,
I know this
you know that one. Why you know that one?
because you're eating so much this.
Okay.
I love that.
Okay. Yeah. So Ray says he knows the Fruity Pebbles because I'm always ordering this online, and that's one of my favorite cereals.
Yes.
You want to try that one?
Yes.
Okay. Ray, which one you want to try?
This.
No, that's breakfast.
Okay.
What do you want to try?
This.
Okay. You keep knocking that over. Okay. All right. So I'm going to set this up and have my kids and their friends to try American nostalgic snacks. Hello.
Hello.
Come on in. How are you?
My name is Yuzuki.
I said, how are you? How are you? Happy? Have a seat.
Oh,
You got a haircut. Yes? You have a haircut?
oh, where's the pencil?
Okay. Hello. Hello. Today I'm asking a favor. These are all nostalgic snacks from America. Nostalgic means nazakashi. That means it's nazakashi for me. So they're very nostalgic for me. And I'm going to have you guys try some of them. So she's going to taste one and he's going to taste one, and then I'm going to have you taste one of these snacks.
これ食べてくださいね。いいんですか？うん、食べてください。
Yeah, so I'm going to have you taste it.
No, you're not gonna eat it.
What do you mean me?
You're not gonna eat it.
Why?
You're on a diet. So they're gonna eat it. You're not gonna eat anything. No,
but-
no, no, no.
シュープ
They eat
を
it.
食べていい
Okay. Okay, so I'm going to have you guys trying one of the snacks. So first of all, okay. Hito, you gotta move. You gotta move. Okay, let's start first by saying your name. What's your name? Yuzuki. Okay, and what's your name?
My name.
I know your name. Okay, okay. I'm sorry. What's your name?
My name.
Okay,
is,
so I'm sorry. Go ahead.
My name is Ray.
Ray. Okay, so we're going to start with a nostalgic taste. This is called the Hostess Cupcake. This is one of the most popular cakes you will find in a convenience store in America. Every convenience store has this. So this is like one of the #1 most common cupcakes in America. Have you ever seen this before? This first time? Hajimete? First time? Okay.
I
So-
like this one
How are you gonna say you like it? You never tried it before. Let's
because
first-
it's like a chocolate.
Okay, see? Yeah, chocolate. So
これゆずちゃんみたいな開け方したら。
よかった。
oh, that was smart.
It's difficult to open.
あ、できる。
Can you help them?
Well, let's see.
あ
It's easy.
逃げた逃げた Can you replace it with
Here,
yeah.
take this one. Okay. Oh, that smells like chocolate. Okay, give me the wrapper, please. All right, so this is a cupcake. So, taste it. Yes, go ahead.
Yummy. Yummy.
It's like before they put it in their mouth, they go, yummy. Now, the chocolate. So how does it taste though? It's yummy, but how does it taste?
どんな味？
Chocolate. And cream.
Cream.
ゆうちゃんは
Chocolate?
チョコレートの味。Wow,
I can tell Ray likes this.
Use your plate.
So, is it too sweet? Is it too sweet? Am I?
甘すぎ？ちょうどいい甘い？
めちゃくちゃ美味しい。
めちゃくちゃ甘い？
うん。ちょうどいい。
ちょうどいい。Not too sweet.
Not too sweet? Wow, Ray finished his.
甘すぎるっていう時は too sweet. Too sweet. Not too sweet. Sweet? It's not too sweet. Not too sweet. 甘すぎない Sweet.
Yeah, I can taste all the sugar in that. It's like, ah! That's a lot of sugar.
Too sweet for you.
Yeah. My brain right now is.
I love chocolate.
Okay, stop. Okay, so you take it, turn it like this, and you bite. Those up.
Right.
There you go.
Sweet?
Good? Good? Yeah.
甘い
甘い。Apple.
Too sweet?
Oh God, this is too sweet.
Too sweet?
I haven't gotten to the apple yet.
甘い甘すぎて he said too sweet. Kose say too sweet. Too sweet って言って Too sweet. 忘れちゃった
The apple's good.
Too sweet.
Apple is good.
It's like you taste caramel, fresh apple, and nuts. Okay, next we're going to try this one, and this is the adult nostalgic taste. We have coffee here. I have my wife as one of the is going to taste it, and what's your name? Takaki? Takaki. So this is Takaki-san. He's going to taste it. And we all have coffee. For this one, we're going to be using coffee cake. So this is the first time they're going to be trying a nostalgic taste of coffee cake. All right, どうぞ。
いただきます。
甘い。
甘い甘いけど美味しい
うん美味しい
うん
シナモンの香りが
うん
して
So you think this is good for coffee?
うんコーヒー合う合う
うん
美味しい
Yeah, so this is the coffee cake. Oh yeah, I remember the smell. Oh my god. Nazakashi. The word nazakashi means nostalgic, yes. Oh, I can just sit here and just smell it. Yeah. All right, so here we have it. We have tried first the chocolate cupcake. and we tried the taffy caramel apple, and we tried the coffee cake. We have a lot of other snacks we're going to be trying later. But what I want to ask you is, what do you think about the snacks, American snacks? Do you think American snacks are yummy, or do you think they are just too sweet? What do you think about American snacks?
Yummy.
Yummy? Why?
Because the chocolate one is really yummy.
Okay. And why did you like the chocolate cake? How'd you make that? So these are all basically for breakfast in the morning when you want to get that good sugar high and get that sugar rush.
You'll be high later.
Yeah, they're going to be running against the wall
Oh my god.
later on today. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit the like button and please subscribe for all our new subscribers. Thanks for subscribing. For if you just the first time you have joined my channel, please hit the like button, subscribe. And if you have any questions about any of the snacks that I have here, send me a comment and I'll be happy to get in touch with you. We hope you enjoyed it. See you. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
All right, shoot.
No!
Wait a minute. He ate some. I told him not to eat it.
Who?
You.
I didn't eat it. I just tasted it.
Yeah, but I said you cannot eat none of it.
But it was part of the video, so I had to like
God. You're on the punishment.
just.
You have a quiet time.
Why get quiet time?
Because you'll be high.
No, I'll just give you the sing in.
Because you did.
I'll just pay the sing in.
No.
I'll just pay the sing in.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Oh my god.